Hello, and welcome to this guide on setting up your Metamask on your mobile device and connecting to the Polygon mainnet. First of all, open the Play Store or the App Store and install Metamask. After it's done installing, open up the app and press Get Started. Now, let's create a new wallet and agree to the terms and conditions. Next, press Accept. It's time to create a strong password for your wallet. Please make sure to save your password in a trusted place so you don't accidentally lose it. Now, press Start. Please re-enter your password. Now, make sure to take extra precaution in this step. Your recovery phrase is the key to your wallet. Please make sure to note down your recovery phrase. The importance of this step cannot be overstated. Fill out the recovery phrase as it was shown earlier.
Saving your MetaMask key phrase is super important. Think of it as locking your front door when you leave your home. If you lose your key phrase, you risk losing access to your digital assets. Keep it safe, and you will always have control over your cryptocurrency investments. It's a small effort, but a big reward in the world of digital finance.
Here, on the top of your screen, you will see Ethereum mainnet. Click on it. Go to Add Networks. Scroll down and select the Add button next to the Polygon mainnet, and then approve the change and press Switch to Network button.
Similar to providing your home address for a package delivery, we require your wallet address to send you your NFT from either the Friend NFT collection or the Trustwalk NFT collection. Please take a moment to copy your wallet address and share it with us. This will guarantee the secure and timely delivery of your precious NFT from the collection you've chosen. We greatly appreciate your cooperation in ensuring that you receive your digital collectible without any issues. Thank you.
Now, in the forms link shared with you, please enter your email address, your MetaMask wallet address, which was the address you copied in the previous step, and then please enter it again to confirm your wallet address. You can now pick any frame that you want, and based on it you will be receiving your NFT. Please understand, by submitting this form you are directing us to send the NFT to the provided wallet address. Please double check for accuracy. We genuinely care about ensuring that you receive your NFT seamlessly. Remember, an incorrect address might lead to an unrecoverable loss, and we wouldn't want for that to happen. Sumeru Digital cannot be held accountable for the inaccuracy in the information provided.